Russians' war with Ukraine continues. Russians face huge losses. We bring you the most accurate and fast news about the Ukraine-Russia war between Ukraine and Russia in red. Continues from the laptop. The Russians are giving new losses every day. Ukrainian army gets stronger with support from outside Ukraine. His army shows great resistance in war. Foreign powers. It provides great support in terms of ammunition and shortage, so the Russians face huge losses. Ukrainian army in Ukraine. It performs very successful attacks. Shut down combat caliber cruise missile.